Let me tell you a story about a turtle and a rabbit in a busy city where everyone rushed everywhere. There was a small turtle. It didn't run, it didn't hurry, it just kept going, step by step. One day, it reached a loud road, cars rushed past, everything felt fast and scary. The turtle paused, then quietly, it chose patience over fear. Suddenly, whoosh! A rabbit ran by, fast, confident, gone in seconds. But the turtle didn't stop. It kept going. Then a little bird appeared. It looked lost. "Which way should I go?" it asked. The turtle smiled. "Just take one step at a time." The bird flew off, and the turtle kept walking, alone again, but stronger. Step by step, it moved forward. No rush, no fear, just calm. And at the top of the hill, it finally understood. You don't have to be the fastest. You just have to keep going. Slow is still progress.